see, my love, if you can see my face here. Can you see me?
So your booty feel good.
Me, my face. No? About that one.
That much of it.
How about that one?
Yes. You're sitting back.
Kain. So. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng fried chicken ko. Nagustuhan niyo dyan. Kumuha ako kanina ng sweet tea. Ito po. Check ko lang kung nagsige pag-on ang cellphone ko. Kasi na-off siya. Puno na siguro ba? Kain tayo. Gusto ko magkamay eh. I want to eat bare hands. Masarap talaga kumain ng ano. Nakakamay kaso ang init ng kanin. Sobrang linamnam ng chicken kasi nakamarinate buong araw. Marinate ko ng Silver's one. Saka oyster sauce. Super crunchy. Tatlong piraso lang ano ko. Piniprito ko. Enough lang namin ngayon. Magutom ulit mamaya. May pangaga pa naman. Kasi dyan, di siya kumakain yung nakain na niya kanina. Bihira lang yan kakain ulit. Unless kung gustong-gusto niya. Tulad ng pizza. Kumain kami nung hapon. Kinagabihan. Naghanap. Kinain. Happy na yung tummy. Nakakain ng kanin. I love this jalapeno. Pickled siya jalapeno. Nag-uul ko kay kunti na lang. Ito yung ano kalahati sa kinain ni Jan. Ito yung drumstick. Gidebone ko siya. Tapos hinati ko ng dalawang parte. Yung drumstick. Mm. Happy ang tummy kaya nakakain ng kanin. Ewan ko ba ba't ang Pilipina maghanap talaga ang tiyan namin ng kanin. In the Philippines, we eat rice 3, 2, sometimes 2. Sa mga nagda-diet, usually 3 times a day. Mag 4 times pa. Sa snack, kanin pa din. Pag masarap ang ulam, may snack pa yan, kanin pa din.
For now.
Bigyan natin laman kay Boos.
If you are new to Medicare, moving, or losing coverage, call the number on your screen and give them your zip code. They can help you with your Medicare Advantage plans available in your area. Medicare Advantage plans may be available with low or $0 monthly premiums, but you don't know unless you call. Don't miss out on a plan with important benefits.
Si Boos, ready ng kumain.
If you called last year, you should call today. Each year, you could be eligible for plans with additional
Yung Boos namin, hindi yan pinapakain ng buto.
that may better fit your healthcare needs. Call to explore Medicare Advantage plans from Humana, United Healthcare, Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield, Aetna, Cigna Healthcare, WellCare, or Kaiser Permanente. Medicare Advantage plans may be available in your area that include dental, vision, hearing, prescription drug coverage, or an over-the-counter allowance.
Thank you for watching mga silingan.
So call the number on your screen and give them your zip code. They can
Kumain na si Boos kanina, kay Jan.
in your area and find the one that's best for you.
Kaya lagyan ko na lang konting kanin, tsaka itong
If you are new to Medicare, recently moved, or lost coverage, call for your free, no obligation 2025 Medicare benefit checkup today.
kain natin kay Boos. Doon sa kitchen kasi andun yung kainan niya. Hugasan ko muna yun. Kasi nilagyan kaninang umaga ni Jan ng niya, sobra niya itlog. Ayaw ni Boos. This is for Boos.
Obviously, it needs to be rewired. I'm trying to find anything I can to make a buck on you. I mean, anything. That and then an Atlantic oil can. $60. Take them.
These are beautiful, Jack.
And some of them even has paint on them yet. Like this one still has paint.
And these are great.
This is for Boogeyman.
Electric company. They must have repaired light fixtures and sold light fixtures.
Thank you for watching mga silingan. Thank you.
This one has a little bit of
Inom muna ako.
stinks because that takes the value about in half for me. The downside to picking glass are the chips. I mean, they need cleaned up,
Ah,
but they can still definitely.
thank you for watching. Wait, Bogs. Off ko muna, Bogs. Nandiyan na si Bogs. Antay na siya sa akin matapos. This is for you. Thank you for watching. Please.